Hello and welcome. Happy Thursday. I can't wait to draw with you guys, but before I do that, how about if I give a shout out to Partham Elementary in Lawrence, Massachusetts. I painted 2 murals there. I had such a great time. Thank you, Partham. Alright, so let's choose what to mash up today. Believe it or not, we are now close to 200. I have over 190 entries so far, so I'm going to put this in. Thank you for everyone who made a suggestion on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, let's pick one, put this down, and this one is from Patty Dolan. Cool. Her son Liam wants us to mash up mousse and bacon. Oh, that's why I love these ideas. They're so creative. On a side note, Liam actually goes to Jefferson Elementary in Franklin, Massachusetts. I made a note here. And I painted a whole bunch of murals there. So thank you, Jefferson. All right, so I'm going to put things aside. I'm going to turn on the projector. And let's draw. See here, my notation. This is Liam's suggestion of mousse and bacon. And, you know, I always have a pencil, a sharpened pencil around. I think that for this one, I will use pencil. I know most of you use pencil. I typically use a Sharpie, but not this one. But notice, my pencil, it does not have an eraser, because you're not allowed to erase. Because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. So, how about, oh yeah, also if I'm drawing too fast, because this is not going to be easy, the mousse and bacon mashup, pause the video, and also you don't have to draw exactly like how I'm illustrating the mousse bacon. Okay, let's try to draw one of the horns. So not easy. I'm creating these wavy lines. Okay. Now draw the bottom part. It's one of the horns. Then let's start drawing the head of the moose. So I'm going to create some bushy hair. You don't have to, again, you don't have to draw exactly how I'm illustrating this character. Then do the head again. Then create sort of like the nose. Give him a smile. And then create the bottom part of the head. I know this is not easy. Not a surprise. Draw one big eye and a smaller one. Remember to draw 2 letter C's inside of the eyeballs and fill them in. You don't have to illustrate the eyes the same way as I'm doing it. Alright, let's give him some cute ears. So draw 2 leaf-like shapes. Alright, and add some details inside the ear. Alright, again, this is not going to be easy, but let's draw the other horn. So draw these sort of wavy lines that go up. Okay, then draw the bottom portion. Dun dun! Now there is the head of the moose. Then add another curving line for the neck. Alright, so let me think. Let's draw the bacon part. We're going to draw some more waves. So draw one wave. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is for the bacon detail. Then draw another wave. Okay? And draw another one. We'll draw 6 of these wavy lines. Okay? 4. 5. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then 6. And sort of connect that to the neck. Close the gap. Then start shading. So you can use colored pencil or colored markers. So this will give this more of a bacon feel. And also you can do this later on. So you can skip ahead if you'd like. 2. And I'm doing this really, really fast. This is just for demo reasons. Okay, That's one. That's the main body. Now let's draw the legs. So create something similar. So one wavy line. I usually do 6, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then create one hoof here. If you want, you can fill it in. Then fill in the other stripes. I know this is really time consuming. This might be our longest video, going to be our longest video to date. We'll see. So that's one leg. Then draw the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Then draw the hook. And fill them in. Hope you're having fun because I'm having a blast. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm doing this really, really quickly. Let's do the other third leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another hook. Filling in the stripes. Whew. Now this is going to be our last leg. We'll fill this in a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Filling the hoof. We're almost done. This is so exciting. 2. Woo! Alright. I think we need the tail. So I add one bushy tail. Okay. Then I will sign this for Liam. There you go. There's our fun bacon mousse. I will turn off my projector. Okay, Liam, when you get the chance, please email me your address at smileyb@battagland.com. And also, if you have not done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you'll know when the next episode is released, because I'm doing this every day. Yesterday, I shared with you a giant painting. So, I've been telling you what I've been doing while social distancing, just being here at home. Lately, I have been painting on these mini canvases. Aren't these adorable? Here's the princess, and of course, here is Beanie. And you know what's great about these canvases is that they come with these mini easels. Aren't they cute? So let me know what you're doing while social distancing. Comment below, and don't forget to make some MashUp suggestions. All right, I'm going to deal with my remote control again. I hope this time it works. And I'll see you tomorrow. Let me see. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.